What if I told you that you can study in Germany without a blocked account? Yes. If you're wondering how that is gonna happen, then stay back and watch this video till the end, because I'll be telling you about this fully funded scholarship opportunity that is being provided, that covers your tuition fees and also your living expenses, accommodation, and even your flight tickets. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below to support the channel and help others find this information as well. Now let's dive right into the video. What am I talking about? We're talking about the SBW Berlin Scholarship, and this is for international students. Like I said, it's a fully funded opportunity designed for talented, socially committed individuals from developing countries. So this scholarship is available for both undergraduates. So if you're going for bachelor's, this one is for you, and also for master's degree students. And this is being held at universities in Berlin and Potsdam, Germany. Now, what does this scholarship cover? What do you get? You would get a tuition fee for your entire study program. You don't have to pay because it is covered. And then you also get a furnished accommodation in a shared student flat in Berlin. Student flat, not student room. So you have your own room in a shared apartment in Berlin. You also have a monthly living allowance of 480 euro to cover your expenses. Then you'd also get a travel allowance for your flight. Those of you asking me for scholarships that covers flight, this is one of them. Okay, you get a travel allowance for your flight to Berlin before your program starts, and also back home after graduation. Now this scholarship also eliminates the need for your worries, which is the blocked account, and this also prohibits part-time jobs, meaning you can focus entirely on your studies. Guys, you don't want to miss this one, right? Now the scholarship lasts for the entire standard duration of your study program, up to 48 months for undergraduate and postgraduate studies combined. Now, the funding is typically granted per semester, depending on your academic performance and compliance with the scholarship terms. Okay, up next, I'm going to be talking about who is eligible for this one. Now, guys, pay attention to this one. Okay, now, who is eligible? Number one, you must be between 18 and 30 years old. Number two, you must have volunteer or professional experience in a non-profit or social sector. Number three, you must have not lived in Germany for more than 18 months before applying. Number four, you must hold a university entrance qualification or be applying for a master's shortly before or after your bachelor's degree to qualify for this one. Okay. Number five, you must plan to work at least 18 months in your home country after graduation or engage in a non-profit work in Germany. I don't think these are all difficult to get anyways, if you ask me. If you put down, take it serious, these are things that you can easily work on getting. Okay, now next, you need to have a good GPA equivalent to at least 2.0, okay, in the German system, second class upper in the German system, and no first degree family permanently residing in Germany. You want to make sure that you don't have any first degree family member permanently residing in Germany. Okay, now let's get right to the documents or the requirements that you need for this scholarship. Now, one key requirement is your proof of your social commitment. You'll need a letter of recommendation from a non-profit organization or social institution you've worked with. So they'll email this directly to SBW Berlin. Only after that they've reviewed and accepted your letter, you'll now get, so that's when you have access to the official application form for the scholarship. Let me repeat this. Now, once you've gotten the letter of recommendation from the non-profit organization or social institution that you've worked with in your home country, They will have to email this directly to SBW Berlin, and only after they've reviewed and accepted the letter will you get access to the official scholarship application form. Now, let's talk about the application process. Step 1. You have to apply for a study place at a university in Berlin or Potsdam. You can use the My German University. I already showed you guys, I made a video on how to search for universities from that app, My German University. There's a video that I make. I'm going to put it up here on the link, so you'll see that there. After this one, you can go watch it to understand how to search for tuition-free universities, so you can apply to those schools there and then check for the ones that have the programs that you want to go for. Okay, now once you've done this, okay, and you've applied on the My German University platform, so just check. You can use that platform to find the suitable universities, like I said, in Berlin and Potsdam. I'll leave a link to the platform as well in the description. Now, step 2, while your university application is in process, contact a non-profit organization that you've worked with and request a letter of recommendation. Remember, I mentioned what they have to do. Now, step 3, the organization submits the letter via email to SBW Berlin, and once accepted, you'll receive access to the scholarship application form. Note that there is no application or processing fee and no strict deadline. Applications are open all year round. Okay, applications are open all year round, except maybe if the school that you are applying to requires you to apply through Uni Assist, then you have to probably pay some application fee because you'll be using Uni Assist. But if the school or the university that you are applying to, that you found from the My German University, allows you to apply directly, then you probably won't be paying any application or processing fee. Okay, now like I said, no strict deadline. You have to take your time, get all your documents and apply. But remember that application works only during the German University intake. I just made a video, and I'll put this here as well, about when German universities are always open and also the admission requirements for a German university. If you've not watched that one, you can go watch it to understand how to put your documents and everything you need to apply to a German university, and also to know when admission intakes are going on. Currently, admission intake is going on to German universities, okay, for the following semester. I think it's winter semester now. Okay, so check and see the ones that you would apply so that you don't miss the deadline, because usually the deadlines are very short for admission application to German universities for international students. So please check that other video that I made before this one so you can understand all the requirements, because you have to first apply to university before proceeding with the scholarship application, right? So make sure that your documents are all in proper and organized form. Okay, now let's talk about what these people expect from you. SBW Berlin expects genuine interest in social projects and community service, your willingness to collaborate with non-profit organizations during and after your studies. Good academic performance is also expected from you. They would also they're expecting clear communication of your professional and personal goals. And also note that the scholarship cannot support your family members financially. So this is only for individuals that are going to study intentionally. All right, now let's quickly recap about this particular scholarship I'm talking about. No blocked account is needed. This scholarship is fully funded. It covers your tuition, accommodation, travel, and living expenses. It is open to students aged 18 to 30 with a good GPA. You must apply to a Berlin or Potsdam university first. Okay, apply to a university in Berlin or Potsdam. Okay, Berlin or Potsdam University. Then you must also, of course, a non-profit organization must send a recommendation letter for you. So contact them before you start your whole process and be sure that they will be providing you with this document. Now, it is open all year round with no application fees. You can apply for this one. Okay, guys, this is all we're talking about today. If this sounds like the opportunity you've been waiting for, don't delay. Start your university application today. Reach out to a non-profit you've worked with and begin the scholarship process. So if you found this video helpful, Help me to like it, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more scholarship and study abroad tips. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.